So the first thing we want to do is go to your support tab and go to options and go to external services profiles. And from here, what we're going to do is we're going to set up our user login to Trimble Connect and to WorksManager. So it's set up with your Trimble ID. If you don't have a Trimble ID, what you can do is if you go to the start page, there's this login section, and you can click on login, and if you have your Trimble Connect ID already, you can sign in. If you don't, then you'll just click here to create a new Trimble ID, and then you want to make sure you click stay signed in. Now I would typically do that so that I don't have to set it up, but to set it up, like I said, we're going to go to options, and I'm going to go to my external services, and I'm going to put in my email address. And then I'm going to put in my password. And then you always want to go ahead and test the setting to make sure that it works. You can see that I'm successfully signed in. And I will click sign in to stay signed in. And then I'm going to come down to the WorksManager, and I'm going to do the same thing. Oops. And we'll test those settings. That got that correct, and we'll sign into that as well. All right, so now I've got my service profiles for Trimble Connect and WorksManager. I can go ahead and click OK.